Hey, Rolling Stoners, quick little update on tripping over my own feet. I'm going to tell you the real experience behind riding that bicycle. So this is how it starts. When you get on, my length of leg is really long. It didn't reach the pedals. So you're having to lean all the way back in the bicycle. Great if you have a ball sack to hold it there. Ladies don't. So I was literally sliding off the seat. Then, of course, I'm wearing this lovely short mini skirt that I was trying to tuck under the seat as I'm trying to drive. Then it takes its own corners, and the front bars have no rigidity, and it cook sisters your legs into a thing. And Cameron's going, now come on, Tasz, ride the bicycle. Really? Then you just manage to balance and get going, and they tell you there's cars coming, and how cool is this? They stop the traffic for us. I mean, I thought that was awesome. So everybody knows these bicycles, everybody knows where they ride them, and they literally stop traffic. Well, I promise you, as I was going past those cars, I was like, wee, oh, they really don't speed wee. So it was awesome.